This is, I think, the fifth one of the Listeria workshops around management and prevention of that, very serious pathogen that can affect many different foods, but certainly fresh produce. And the United Fresh Produce Association and the Produce Marketing Association, PMA, got together and we're putting on a series of regional workshops to really help engage the industry to understand the fundamentals of Listeria prevention and management and really provide the solutions that they can take back with them.
Listeria monocytogenes is an organism that causes serious health problems, illness and death for especially the highly sensitive individuals, the elderly, pregnant women, neonates. So it's very important that we have some discussion with industry about what do you do to help control Listeria in your products.
Well, I think, some of the key messages that we try and ensure that they walk away with if they don't already come in the door is just sort of the sources of the Listeria that can impact their facilities, their operations, what you can do to try and minimize the frequency that occurs, but really how to deal with it from a cleaning, sanitation, and verification programs so that it doesn't become established and it doesn't transfer from the working environment to the produce, to the food that you're going to send into commercial markets.
Well, let me just point out that when it comes to Listeria monocytogenes, the pathogen of concern, it, unlike some other pathogens, it can grow well under refrigeration. It is found sort of routinely in the agricultural environment and soils and things of that nature. It can get into processing facilities and handling facilities fairly easily. So the point of working with the industry is to find ways of helping them control Listeria once it's in their plant. Find ways of getting rid of it and find ways of making sure that they can control this problem.
And so much of it is really about building awareness. And certainly one key feature of the workshop and why I feel that we've received very good evaluations in all the different regions when we put that on is that there's a lot of opportunity for peer-to-peer sharing knowledge, particularly around sort of common commodities or common practices that they have. And again, the industry, wants to do the right thing. They're trying, they're, exploring a variety of options, and we're trying to, make sure that knowledge is broadly shared.